So in this question, we are given that the equation modulus of z minus iota equals to modulus of z minus 1, where I equals to root under minus 1. We have to say that this equation represents which one of the following. तो ये पहला इक्वेशन हमें जो दिया है that is given modulus of z minus iota equals to modulus of z minus 1. Now what I am doing is let z equals to x plus iota y, because z is a complex number. Now I am putting z equals to x plus iota y, x plus iota y minus I modulus equals to x plus iota y minus 1 modulus. This is equals to x plus iota y minus 1 modulus equals to x minus 1 plus iota y modulus. Now this can be written as x square plus y minus 1 whole square under root equals to under root x minus 1 whole square plus y square. This can be written because we know that modulus of z equals to under root real z square plus imaginary z square. So now squaring both sides, I can write x square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to x minus 1 whole square plus y square. This is x square plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equals to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square. So we can cancel out x square and y square from both sides, and also I can cancel 1 from both sides. We are left with minus 2y equals to minus 2x. Therefore I can say y equals to x. Now y equals to x represents this type of line. This line is y equals to x. So we can say that this line passes through the origin and the slope of this line is 1. Slope 1 and passes through the origin. When you look into the options, we can see that option B, the line passes through the origin with slope 1. Therefore option B is the right answer to this question.